Guys, Gnomee the homie here. You guys gotta see this. Oh my god. In Los Angeles, you guys already know wildfires are happening. 30,000 people have been ordered to evacuate from Los Angeles. The Los Angeles wildfires. Here's a first-hand look of inside of what it looks like.
Okay.
Guys, this is insane. This is insane. Let's all send our prayers and hopes.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay.
Guys, this is absolutely insane. If you guys are watching this, you guys are anywhere close to these fires, make sure you evacuate. This is no joke, my friends. This is no joke. These wildfires in Los Angeles is serious, my friends.
Okay. Hmm?